So good morning guys. Today we will continue our lecture yesterday, which is we will learn chapter 3 and 4. So this is example question. So let we start with Mix Komoko.
Hello guys, before I continue for the question, I want to explain to you the terms of the keyword. Okay, so P is for principal, M is for frequency of conversion, K annual nominal rate, I periodic interest rate, N is number of interest periods in the investment period, S is for future value, and I for compound interest. So this is the formula we will using for this chapter. Okay, we continue to the question A. So we have Bank Walfa and Bank Dennis, and that banks have a different interest. Okay, so this is how to find the interest rate lah for each bank, which is Walfa Bank and Dennis Bank. First is Walfa Bank. Before we find the interest, we need to find the S, that is future value. Okay, so the formula of to find the S is this one. This is the formula. Okay, so first we need to find S. Okay, if we see the formula, P is 20,000 and I is which is K divide M. Then N is M multiply T. Okay, so we get the answer S is 26,265.12. Okay, so now we can find the interest, which is S is 26,265.12 and P is this P. Okay, so the interest for Alpha Bank is 6,265.12. Okay, we continue to Dennis Bank. The Dennis Bank formula is same with formula we use for Walfa Bank. So S is 25,388.69. This is S. So the interest for Dennis Bank is 5,388.69.
So in your opinion, Moko, which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A?
Okay, I choose Dennis Bank because the interest is lowest than Walfa Bank. Okay, so we continue to the question C. For first, we need to find the value of S. We just insert the value as given with future value for 1.5 years. The term is 1.5 because 6 months is half of years. So the future value for 1.5 years is 21,483.90. So next is we find the future value for 4 years. So it is we just insert the value as given like before. So after we calculate the all question, the future value for 4 years is 28,402.87. And now, so to find the interest, this is the formula, which I equal S minus P. So the last answer is 8,402.87. So that's all.
Okay, thank you Mo for your explanation for case study 1. So we will continue for case study 2, which is chapter 4, NVT. And this is the question that I will do by myself. So this is a question for case study 2 with the answer. So for question 1, they got two options. So question A is, option 1 is using formula A equal to R. A stand for present value and R stand for periodic payment. So for option 1, we need to find R. So we just insert all the information given, and the last answer will be 21,835.50. Next is to find the total interest charge using the formula I equal to NR minus A. So just insert the value, and the last answer will be 9,177 and 30 cents. While the option 2 is using formula S equal to R. S present for present value. So just insert all the value given, and the last answer will be 119, 159 and 10. And the total interest using a formula I equal to S minus NR. So just insert the value, and the last answer will be 9,159 and 10. So based on the last answer, we will choose the option 1 because option 1 is fully recommend the maximize of his total return, because the value of option 1 is more higher than option 2. Okay, Mira, can you continue for question C and D?
So this is the solution for question C, which is suppose the interest rate on the option 1 increased to 4%, how would this affect Mr. Tan's decision? So for the formula, we still use the same formula from the last question, which is A equal to R. We insert the information from option 1, and then we change the I, which is periodic interest rate. And then the last answer for this question is 22,462.71 cents. For the interest charge is NR minus 2A. 5 multiplied with 22,462.71 minus 100,000. And then we get the answer is 12,330.56 cents. The differences between 4% and 3% is 3,136.26 cents. We move to the next question. So this is the information from the question, and then this is the solution. The formula we use are A equal to R. And then we insert the information that we find from the question to the formula. First, we solve first in the bracket, and then we got this answer. And then we divided, we got the answer from the bracket, which is 52.99070576. And then we move to and then we divided this with 84 thousandths for find the R. And the last answer I got is RM 1,207.76 cents.
So next question is E. Can Ellie help me to answer the question?
Next is E. Question E. This is the information that we got from last question, and then this is our formula. We use same as like the last question. We insert the information here, and this is, and we change 5 year to month, and we got the 24 month. Insert to here, and after we calculate all of that, we got this is the final answer. This is the formula for interest. We insert all of the number that we got, and we got this last answer. And the last question is F. Here we change the N into the 3 months, and here we use the new formula. The formula is S equal R, a bracket 1 plus I, the power of N minus 1, and we insert the information that we got from the last question, but the N is we change to 3. So the last answer is 3,638 and 40 cents.